Flat panel and sidewall insert installation. Designed for insulating and framing the long sidewall of a shipping container. This is a quick and easy to modify method used when the container's condition is less than optimal. Pre-plan and cut out all the openings in the container. Complete any welding, cutting, or grinding operations prior to installing the InSoFast panels. In this application, we use wood for our window openings. Wood gives us a better energy saving profile. For in-depth information about wood bucks, see our instructional video and web page linked below. This flat wall method is a two-step process. The first step in the process is to infill the wall's corrugated voids with shaped inserts, reducing any possible airflow that would allow hidden condensation to occur.
Really just need enough to hold it in place.
So you're doing 3 at a time?
Yeah, that's how wide my bench is. So you'll find you trim a little bit off this corner here just to get this one to fit in place, and it's nothing fancy, just push it in place. And again, they're just glued up, and then
Now peel one of those off to see how the glue gets.
what you're looking for is adhesive transfer there, so that's perfect.
The sidewall inserts can be trimmed with a razor knife to fit around openings, tie-down rings, or modified with a rasp to fit around dents and wall bulges. The flat panels, 24 inches by 48 inches, are installed so that the black studs run horizontally, crossing over the container's corrugations. Install the flat panels in a running bond pattern, stagger joints like brickwork. We find that this method is the best practice for assuring the flattest wall. This provides maximum contact between the studs and the steel container. On the back of the panel, run a 3/8 inch bead of adhesive along the dovetailed rib of each of the studs. You can adjust the height of the continuous stud by trimming off the end of the flat panel to move the stud lower to the floor. Apply a continuous bead of spray foam adhesive along the floor and the wall and to air seal the wall. Add adhesive in the corner to secure the panel's edge. This locks the panel in place. The container wall is now ready to finish.